Hybrid work environments are on the rise, but spaces can get disorganized without proper storage. Having a place to keep employees' belongings safe and secure is a must. eLockers Inc. by DASCO Storage Solutions can help keep your workplace clean and efficient with our private storage systems. Renting a locker is quick and easy using a registered employee ID card. Simply start by following the on-screen prompts. The employee then scans their ID card, which has been registered to their user profile using RFID technology. Other authentication methods, such as on-screen PIN entry and barcode scanning, are also available. Once their card is scanned, the employee can now select any available locker to use. The locker is now assigned to this employee for them to store their belongings. When the employee is ready to re-access their locker, they simply follow the same steps. Lockers can be configured to allow temporary or permanent use, allowing employees to re-access their locker without ending their rental period. Beyond personal storage, eLockers can also be used to store and exchange technical equipment, such as laptops, hard drives, or cameras. With 6 different standard locker sizes and countless configuration options, everything is completely customizable to fit your unique needs. Contact us to see how eLockers can maximize your office space with secure, organized, and streamlined storage solutions.